You can manage your invoices by clicking on the menu point, My Invoices. The invoice screen is a complete repository of your invoice history. You no longer have to sift through thousands of emails in order to find your invoices. Simply search for an invoice by entering any relevant criteria. You can find your invoices based on payment status and aging. You can click on these icons to open a more detailed view of a specific invoice with an option to download it in PDF format or release my cargo where applicable. Additional options such as download into an Excel file or share invoice overview via email are available on this page for you.